My dear child, I am Krishna. I have come to speak to your heart. You are not ordinary to me, you are a part of my own heart. Whenever you remember me, a light is lit within you, and that light brings you out of darkness. Today I want to speak to you in a very simple and true way, so that the burden on your mind may be lightened and you may give a new direction to your life. You think that I don't hear your prayers. You ask why I don't answer. But my child, when a seed is sown in the earth, nothing is visible for a while. But the seed is working. It is growing stronger from within. Just like that, I hear your every prayer and am preparing its answer, just waiting for the right time. Patience is also a spiritual practice, and having faith is also devotion. You feel that the world doesn't understand you. People laugh at your intentions, look down on you, and distance themselves from you. But have you ever considered that the moon is afraid of darkness? No. The light is never dim, it's just temporarily obscured. You're not like those who live for pretense. You're the one with the inner light, which is why people don't understand you. Remember, what's pretentious shines quickly and fades quickly, but what holds the truth within remains steadfast and unwavering. When you go through pain, I feel your tears. You think you're alone, but every moment, every second, when you broke down, when you cried, when you were afraid, I was with you. I stood with you, but sometimes I remain silent because I want you to recognize your own strength. Just as when Arjuna was disheartened, I offered him dialogue and wisdom, but Arjuna himself shot the arrows. Similarly, I instill courage in your soul, but you have to take the steps yourself. You often ask why there is pain in life, why there is struggle. So listen, child, no one becomes a warrior without a test. Gold shines only when it's tested in the fire. You are a soul whose strength must be recognized. Struggles don't come to break you, but to make you stronger. Every difficulty, every fall teaches you something. What you endure today will become the foundation of your future success. You desire success, love, respect, wealth, and peace. And I promise you, the time for all of these is fixed. You will receive them when you are ready. If you had received them sooner, you might not have been able to handle them. That's why I fulfill every desire at the right time. My plan is always best for you, even if you don't understand it right now. Sometimes you say that the world deceives you. People only show love in words but harbor venom in their hearts. So listen, don't be saddened by what people say. Calm waters are deep, and deep people speak little. You shouldn't beg anyone to understand you or accept you. Anyone who doesn't see the light of your soul doesn't deserve to walk with you. When you are deceived by someone, don't consider it the end. That's the beginning of learning. I give you experience so that you can discern people wisely. Don't become anyone's enemy, but don't become anyone's plaything either. Those who left you shouldn't have been on your journey. Only those who remain will understand your soul. Everyone else was just a crowd. Sometimes you get tired, you feel weak. But remember, being tired isn't weakness. Stopping is weakness. You are Arjuna. You have the potential to win the battle. Whether the world sees it or not, I know. Your courage never weakens. Only your thinking weakens. So when your heart breaks, call out to me. I will give your mind strength again. Your hard work is never in vain. Even if you don't see fruit today, the roots are growing stronger. When the roots are deep, the tree bears fruit throughout its life. You too are that tree. You won't just be a recipient of fruit. You will be a giver of fruit. You will be an inspiration to others. And I want you to use your light not just for yourself but for the world. The world will taunt you, mock your devotion, call you mad. But remember, history was changed by those whom the world called mad. Ram was exiled, Krishna was accused. Meera was poisoned. But was anyone able to stop their truth and love? No. Because truth always triumphs. It may be delayed, but darkness can never stop light. Every person's path is different. Some find it early, some late. Some find wealth, some wisdom, some the path of service, some spiritual enlightenment. My role is to guide every soul on their right path. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. A river reaches the ocean because it never stops flowing. You too keep flowing. Keep doing your work and I will take care of the rest. Now listen, this is the most important thing. The voice within you, the truth, the peace, that is me. When you calm your mind and consider what is right, that is my answer. I am the light within you, the power within you. Now let go of your old thinking, your old fears. Let go of those who have distanced themselves from you. Don't chase those who don't see you. You will never lose those who want to understand you. What was lost was not part of your journey. Child, I am always with you. My presence is within you, in your every breath. Wherever you go, my blessings are with you. Now you are ready for your new journey. You are ready to find love, respect, and success. You are ready for the life you deserve. Long prayer. Oh God, I come before you with my heart wide open. In my pain, in my loss, in my confusion, I turn toward you. You are the silent witness of my tears, the unseen friend of my lonely nights, the gentle strength that has held me up even when I thought I would fall. I bring to you everything that I am, my fears, my doubts, my memories, my hopes. Take them, God. Hold them gently in your hands. Heal what is broken, soothe what is hurting, calm what is restless inside me. O God, you are the light that no darkness can overcome. Shine that light into every corner of my soul. Where there is pain, bring comfort. Where there is emptiness, bring fullness. Where there is fear, bring courage. Where there is despair, bring hope. Where there is anger, bring forgiveness. Teach me to see my life through your eyes, to trust that even the storms are part of a greater plan, to believe that nothing is ever wasted in your love. O God, when my heart feels heavy, lift it. When my mind is full of noise, quiet it. When my path seems unclear, guide it. Make me patient when life slows down. Make me brave when life speeds up. Make me kind when life feels hard. Help me to understand that endings are also beginnings. That loss is also a doorway to growth. That pain can be a teacher and not only a wound. O God, teach me to love without fear. Teach me to give without holding back. Teach me to trust without clinging. Fill my heart so full of your presence that there is no room left for despair. Fill my hands with blessings so that I may bless others. Fill my words with gentleness so that I may comfort others. Fill my days with gratitude so that I may see your gifts even in small things. O God, be my refuge when the world feels cold. Be my shelter when the storms come. Be my guide when I lose my way. Be my strength when I am weak. Be my peace when my thoughts run wild. Be my song when silence feels too loud. Be my friend when loneliness surrounds me. Be my eternal companion when everything else changes. O God, I surrender all that I cannot control. I lay down the burdens that are too heavy for me. I release the pain that has stayed too long. I open my hands to receive what you have for me. I open my heart to the new life you are preparing for me. I open my eyes to the beauty still around me. I open my soul to your endless love. O God, walk with me every step. Speak to me in the quiet of my heart. Remind me that I am never alone. Remind me that your timing is perfect. Remind me that your plan is bigger than my fear. Remind me that nothing can separate me from your love. O God, Make my heart a home for your presence. Make my life a song of gratitude. Make my pain a path to compassion. Make my journey a testimony of your faithfulness. Make my soul a mirror of your light. Oh God, I trust you. I need you. I thank you. I love you. Stay with me now and always. Stay with me in joy and in sorrow, in light and in shadow, in life and beyond life. In your embrace, may I find my healing, my peace, my courage, and my eternal home.